Alright, so now is how to insert one blank space. Okay, now the thing is, just say, I don't know about your work, sometimes some of the work kita kena insert blank space. Contohnya macam ni, I click row 2, I right click, I insert. I click row 4, I right click, I insert. And I click row 6, I right click, I insert. If you look over here, saya buat satu demi satu. That means I'm doing one by one to insert the space. That means I go here, insert. I go here, I insert. So my friends, do you think that this is a right way to do? If you think that's the right way, maybe you can type yes. Or if you think that's not okay. So I see some of you are saying no. So but why you are doing one by one? Satu demi satu. So the thing is, we don't have to do one by one. Okay. So let us see what we can do. Okay, the idea is, first thing is, kita insertkan one row atas sini. Okay. And then we insert one column on the side. And then I put here NO, a number. I put here 1, I put here 2. And then what I do is, I double click so that now you have the numbers. I copy this, I letak bawah, okay. And then if you remember few weeks ago, I got teach Control A. So Control A means will highlight everything. I also got teach you on Control Shift L. Control Shift L means dia akan ada dia punya auto filter ataupun sort button. I click this, sort smallest to largest. So now you have this information. And then what I do is, I click this, minus. So secara automatic, you have the blank cells. Okay, again I repeat so that everyone can understand. Okay, all right. Okay, so let me remove this. So our job is, our aim is, kita nak insert one blank space in every row. So how to do it? First step is, kita kena insert one column and one row, okay, before the data, before and above the data. Okay, so that, okay, that's number one. Number two is, kita letak maybe NO ke or what, and then we put a numbering. Kita letak numbering beside the data. And then number four is, kita automate the numbering ini, then we copy and paste the numbering. Okay, and then step kelima adalah, what we can do is, we can sort smallest to the largest. And then number 6 is, once we sort smallest to the largest, the step ke-6 adalah, kita do what? Kita delete column A. Okay, so let us do one by one. So what we do is, kita kena insert satu column before the data and above the data. So how to insert column? Senang je. You just press Control Shift equal. So Control Shift equal adalah, Control Shift equal is actually insert. Okay. Control spacebar is, you akan highlight column. Okay. Manakala kalau Control minus, Shift spacebar, it is actually highlight row. Okay. So let us do one by one. Okay. Step pertama adalah, kita insert row and column. So I'm going to Control spacebar, highlight the column, insert, Shift spacebar, highlight, and then insert. And I put here numbering, NO. Then what I do is, I press here 1, I press here 2. Then I highlight this, I just double click here, so that it automate sampai ke bawah. Okay, and then I highlight all this, I copy, and then I paste. Okay, then I paste. Bila I paste, then what I do is, if you see here, kita sort smallest to the largest. So Control A, Control Shift L, Control A, Control Shift L, and then kita pilih sort smallest to largest. And then you see here, kita akan menyusun all the numbering ni. Okay, then what you can do is, Control spacebar minus, Shift spacebar minus. So this is how you can do within less than 20 seconds.